guys!
Alright, we're here to show you our van conversion, which took just under 2 weeks to convert and approximately, what, under $1,000 I'd say we spent on that. The dearest thing was things like the porcelain sink. Yep, we have a porcelain sink in a van. We'll show you what we've done. Well, just to give you a few tips and how to make things look pretty cool and compact and very convenient. Everything is convenient.
Yeah, you don't need to spend like 30, 40 or 50 grand to buy the camping van.
No.
You can do it yourself at home, save your money, save your time, and enjoyable.
Yeah, so here we go.
So this is the partition. We use this at night time when you want to sleep and you want a little bit of private so no one can see in. So you can slide in and out. See this? And this is our kitchen vent. So when you're cooking in the car, you just put this down. This is our kitchen sideboard here. Give you the extra room for your cooking.
For the stove, we just use one of these $15 stoves that you use your gas containers in. They say that they're not that safe. They weren't in the past, but they are now. So they got the shut-off valve and everything like that. We find these awesome to use.
This is our little cupboard for coffee and tea.
Over here we have the mini bar. Amy will show you this. We've got the light. Turn the light switches on. So the glasses up the top, we've made it so that they just slot in. You can take them out, you don't need to do anything, and they won't move around because you've got the carpet holding them in, which is really good. Which is what we've done with the spice and the coffee cups. They're just made so everything slots in and doesn't move around.
This is our actual sink working, have the pump, everything, so for quick wash your dish or your face.
Here is our drawers at the back. Here we can store our underwear and clothing underneath here. But this drawer here also acts as a table. So you can slide that out. And in the other drawer, you've got the cooker, which we put up. We can take that out and then put that on here. And then we can do our cooking outside when you're doing big things like roast dinners or anything, stir fries. Fits nicely into the drawers. Everything folds away.
Okay, this is our wardrobe. So we have the bar here. You can slot all the clothes out when you want to use it and pick up which one you want it and then put it away nicely. And then shut it up. This is our pantry, so you keep all your food here for cooking. It's really handy for us to keep our little spice and stuff in here. So they always shut, never move. And this is other storage, so you can keep all your cleaning, your tissue or whatever, the big stuff in here. Knife. And this over here, we have more storage here, 2 drawer, big drawer. Slide in and out.
So they're not locked or anything, they just sit there. Because they're on this carpet, they just sort of stay there. So you don't need all the locks or anything when you're putting this stuff in. It's really nice. It's easy to use. It's just like a felt thing that you can get from the hardware shop. And I've just glued that on. We have the comfy headboard. Nicely padded for extra comfort. So this is just a king size single. You're probably wondering how we sleep on this, but you've seen the size of Amy, she's pretty small. And it's not very thick, it's just a medium dense foam, so you don't have that problem of rolling in together. So it actually is a really comfortable bed. Little compartment up here where we can put some torches, napkins and tissues or whatever.
Over here we have the mosquito nets, so they go over the door, so you can sleep with the door open and still not have the mosquito get in there.
And over here we have the fire extinguisher. So we've got all the safety stuff. Over the other side we've got the smoke alarm, the little bin, and our special midnight toilet trip where we don't have to go anywhere. Behind the seat here, the passenger seat, is where I keep the water. It's only 20 litres, which is enough, but if you're travelling around, you can just top that up each day or every second day. So just 20 litres will do us. It's only to brush your teeth, have a shave and a bit of a wash. We've put in a converter here, so you can plug that into your cigarette lighter and for charging laptops and cameras and stuff like that. That's really handy to have. Alright, on this door here, this is where we keep the chairs. So we've made this compartment here so it's exactly the right size for the chairs. So they just slot in. And I've also got another little hidden drawer behind here, which you can keep extra things. Normally we would probably put washing or something in here, just got some blow up beds. But so that's another little extra drawer which is really handy. And that's just the back of the cupboard, just another compartment here just to put some things. And you can actually access under here for pots and pans. So that's pretty good. And they just slot in. I'll just leave it out because we're not going to be taking this on our trip. They just fit in like that. It's really easy. We're going to take this van on a trip to Tasmania. So
yay, Tassie!
From Queensland down to Tasmania, and we're going to see what it's like just living in this van and seeing if there's anything that we've forgotten. So make sure you come back, subscribe to our channel so you can be notified of our trip to Tasmania and you can see what life is really like traveling with all the modifications that we've done. See if it's any good or we've missed out on anything. So make sure you subscribe and be notified. Thanks for watching.
Thank you.
So please like and subscribe so you can be notified of these and more up and coming videos.